Everybody, and welcome to the final walkthrough of my project entitled AfterTheMicDrop.com. Now, the concept of this podcast was based on a long career in broadcasting and some of the stories that came out of it. The objective was for me to garner 10 listens per episode, and on 2 of the 5 episodes I fell short, but overall the average was above, so I'll take that as a win. So what you can see in front of you is the homepage of the website, AfterTheMicDrop.com, stories from beyond the studio, and you can see that I've got all 5 of the podcast listed here. And then, of course, down on the right-hand side, both my Instagram and Twitter feeds. And I just want to give you an indication here and show you that on my Twitter feed, you can see under my bio where I've added the link for AfterTheMicDrop.com, and on the Instagram feed as well. So how I would do this is all episodes were updated to my SoundCloud account, and then of course I would just copy and link those over to the website, and also included them on a YouTube channel as well. I've also got the contact page if people wanted to reach out, and certainly I would answer any questions or respond to any messages, and the About page as well, indicating a bit about me, and of course the disclaimer. So that's about it. Overall, it was a great experience. Still debating whether or not I'm going to continue with the podcast, but it was really cool to do something like this, and certainly got me out of my comfort zone, not having done anything like this before. So thanks for taking the walkthrough with me, and it's been great working with all of you over the past several weeks in this class. Thanks.